is Sam here from RecipeThis.com and the voice behind the popular Kitchen Gadgets podcast, Magic with Gadgets. Today I want to show you just how easy it is to steam Brussels sprouts in your Instant Pot electric pressure cooker. This recipe will work well with many different types of electric pressure cookers. It's so easy, and if it always feels like it takes forever to cook your Brussels sprouts, then this is a really easy way of doing it. So, what do you need? You need your liquid to take your Instant Pot to pressure. This can be stock, it can also be water, it can even be wine if you want it to be. And what we have here is we have a cup full. So if you want to place that in first. And then you need a steamer basket. This is the one we're using. We like it because it's expandable and it's also got its own little legs, so you don't have to put a trivet underneath it. So, place it in. And then we've got plenty of sprouts here. Got prepared ones, as you do. And then you can do just one portion, that's one small bag there. You can do two, or like we're doing, you can opt for three. You could easily do 4 bags if you wanted to. It depends on how many people you're actually feeding. And then some salt, a little bit of pepper, and then any other favourite seasoning. You can also add some butter on top if you want to. And then I'm just adding a bit of dried parsley. And then it's ready for the lid to go on. So grab your Instant Pot lid, put it to ceiling, and then it's time to set the time and temperature. Depending on how you like your sprouts, we prefer to pressure cook them for 3 minutes. So if you press pressure cook 3 minutes, and then depending on your type of Instant Pot, ours does it automatically, there's not a start button. Wait till you hear the beep and then you're ready to go. And we've beeped. So, shall we release the pressure? And in case you're wondering, it's a quick pressure release when you're doing vegetables in the Instant Pot, because otherwise they carry on cooking and they can end up too mushy. So now, release pressure. So, pressure release. Lid off. So we'll be back shortly when the steam is finished and I can show you how amazing these sprouts look. So the steam's finished releasing on the sprouts. Let's check on them, shall we? Oh, don't they look fantastic? Oh, look at that. Isn't that a perfect sprout? So that it's not a fluke. Here is another one. Look at that. Sprouts pressure cooked. Absolutely brilliant. And then what you could do with it being on the Instant Pot, you could then transfer it onto saute, get rid of the liquid at the bottom, do some bacon and chestnuts, and then you have a proper Christmassy sprouts recipe. Have you checked out Air Fryer Easy Everyday yet? It's our brand new air fryer cookbook, following on from the success of the Complete Air Fryer Cookbook. It has over 140 everyday air fryer recipes for you to follow along with at home in your air fryer. Perfect for different types of air fryers too, as it covers the air fryer oven, basket and dual air fryers, as well as some fun recipes if you're cooking for one. So what you're waiting for? Go and order yourself a copy now and you will not be disappointed. It's from 12 years of air frying. And thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to follow us on Pinterest, Facebook, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and of course, you can also find us on TikTok. But best of all, head over to RecipeThis.com/newsletter to join our weekly newsletter. And I'm Sam, and thanks again for watching.